Nabuka man.
started visiting my prison
Nabuka man ang nawong.
once.
Oh, duwa na.
One of the witnesses,
Oo,
Marines,
natulang.
was very kind to me.
Naduwa.
She
Ano iton?
awakened in
Ano
me the desire to learn more about the
Duha nga
Bible.
matsyo.
Since I had
Duha man
never
ito,
heard
Mama
of
Tio.
Jehovah's Witnesses, I asked my fellow inmates what they could tell me about them. To my surprise, most of the people I asked
Wala.
reacted disapprovingly. One inmate told me to join any religion but Jehovah's Witnesses. Any religion but Jehovah's Witnesses. Her statement made me even more curious. Told me to join any religion but Jehovah's Witnesses. It made me even more curious. I wanted to find out why people were eating so much. I came to believe that after all,
Ikuha na ito,